Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are watching Waris Electronics YouTube channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe my channel Waris Electronics and press the bell icon button for our new videos notification. Today we discuss and explain about resistance and tell you that how much is important role of resistance in electronic circuits. First of all, we talk about good conductor and a non-good conductor element. The gold is very good conductor and have very less resistance in flow of electric current. Because the copper element is also good conductor and is cheap than gold, so the copper wire usage is common in electric and electronics. The non-good conductors elements like iron are not using in electric wires. Non-good conductor elements have more resistance in flow of current. In electronic circuit, PCBs and components are made by copper. Remember, in high-speed circuit like computer, laptop and cellular phones, components and wires connections are gold coated. In electronic circuit, there are many resistance components which resist the current and allow the required electric flow. The resistance have many shapes and colors. Color code shows the resistance impedance value called ohm. Quarter watt, half watt, 1 watt, 2 watt, 3 watt, 4 watt, 5 watt and more power resistance used in circuit diagram. In modern circuit, resistance or SMD resistance. The symbol of resistance is in diagram. In audio circuit, we need variable resistance to control the audio power. These variable resistance are called potentiometer or volumes. Volume control have 3 pins connection. The center pin of the volume control is audio pin, while the other pin is ground and input pin. The variable resistance are made of many types and shapes. Some are in big size and some are in small size. Remember and note that in electronic circuit, resistance control the DC direct current, not AC alternating current. When you change the burn or damage resistance, you should know the correct value of the burn resistance. Always install the correct value resistance, otherwise the circuit will not work correctly. There are many Android apps to read the color code of resistance. If you have no facility of Android app, you can use the resistance color code table.